Namaste friend. Today is 15 January 2024. You can follow me on a Twitter technotrade_joy. Now we are discussing today Nifty and the Bank Nifty which will mark the level and what is the profit today. Here we have marked 21,800 buy side and 21,600 on sell side. In the previous week our sell call is trigger and we got the only 100 points, and after that our stop loss is hit. Then our buy call is initiated, and the current now on the current level our 21,800 is trigger and now running profit is 300 points, and our sell side stop loss is hit at 200 points. Now still we are in 100 points in the profit, and you can carry your stop loss 22,070 in a Nifty. And let's see in the Bank Nifty. In the Bank Nifty, 3rd January our sell call is trigger, and in the sell side we got the 2500 47,900 sell side and 47,150 exit level touched. In that you got the 7500 points profit. Now let's see in the buy side it will trigger, then Nifty will also on fire. Let's work on our two levels. If you are interested in the short side and the same time thing, focus on the Nifty because Nifty has too much going fast. In sell side we will sell on the 22,000. Let's mark again. We will sell below this 22,042, and our target is 21,800, approx 200 points into 50, 10,000 profit you can carry, and the stop loss is only 2,000 rupees. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.